Hello students, welcome back to our online courses. Now today it's module 2, same in the writing section, writing notices. Notice writing, you know, some information to be given to a big group of people or students together at one time. Notices are written. It is very difficult to give a particular information to each and every person in an institution or organization or together in a society. So for that reason we are used to writing notices. You all are aware, you have been seeing in your school on your notice boards, so many notices are written, and because of that every student is able to read it and get the information. Now for notice writing, though you already know it, you have done in class 6 and 7. So a quick review for the features. Please once again note down all the features and everything which is written on the screen in your copies or pages. Do not forget, though I am repeating it every time, please note down whatever is written on the slides. First of all, you have to create a box, correct? After that, you have to write the name of the school or any organization in capital letters. It is very important to write in capitals. If a name is mentioned in the question, you will write that name. If not, you will write your name of your school. What is the name of your school? Speak loudly. Yes, Chinar Public School. After that, you have to write the word notice, Notice, in capital letters, properly, neatly written with correct spellings and underlined. After that, when you are seeing your copy on the left hand side corner, though I have made it in the format, you can see it in the next slide, you will write the date. The format of the date is similar to that in the letter writing. That is the date, month and the year, or you can write month, date, comma and the year. Again, remember, for month writing, not writing any abbreviations. Suppose the month is February, you will not write FEB, you will write the complete spelling. Clear? After that, you will write the heading according to the question given to you. It should be short, not a very lengthy one, maybe 2-3 words, and apt. Apt means according to the question, which is very much comfortable with the question. You will write that heading. After that is the body part. You will again stick to the margin of your box made and all the W's to be answered. W's answered, that means what, when, where, why, how much, everything. That means what is the need of the notice, when will it be held, any program or anything, the place where it is going to take place, the reason why, if you are talking about any excursions or any picnics, then how much money is involved, what is the last date, what is the last date of submission or anything else, whatever it is, all the correct information to be written in the body part. Nothing in details, no unwanted information to be given. It should be to the point and clear with correct English and with correct language, and definitely kind and polite language is needed. You cannot give strict orders on notice, correct? You can mention that the things are mandatory, but you cannot be rude. After that, again in the left hand side corner, you are writing your name or a signature. You can write a signature form, but it should be clear. Since we are doing it in the school level here, we write clear name. So instead of the signature, you can take it as writing name. And after that, the designation. Designation means if in case you are given a designation in the question, suppose it is told you are the head boy, head girl, or you are a secretary, or you are the cultural head, or any such thing is given, you will write that. Else, if nothing is given, you will write your class. You are studying in class 8th, you will write class 8th. Correct? Please note down this format in your copies. No, the format is you have to make a box and then you have to note it down in this manner. That means your notice will be in this form only. Please remember to note down this format. Now, one example. The question is, write a notice about a charity show to be organized in your school. You are Karthik or Karina. Now, a name is given to you. That means the boys are all Karthik and the girls are Karina. And you are the secretary of the cultural society of your school. Correct? Now, this is the question. Please note down the question also in your copies, and after that, write the answer. This is the complete answer given. That means notice is to be written in this form. I have written the name of the school in capitals, then the word notice, then the date, then the heading. According to this question, the heading goes like something like charity show, and then you have to write all the detailed information, whatever is needed whenever. And the last line, please be careful, you have to write all the information or any other information needed. Please contact the undersigned. That is very much needed. Now here I have made certain changes because nowadays corona problem is going on and we are not gathering in any auditoriums or anywhere. We are going on Zoom meetings for a big public program, isn't it? So I have made some changes in the notice, but this is only during this time. Otherwise you can mention about any auditorium meeting or any such meetings, and you have to write in the end, please contact the undersigned. Undersigned means the name which is written below. Correct? Like in this case, the name is Karthik. And here we have written the designation Secretary, Cultural Society. So now I hope you must have noted down all the things, the question and features and everything. That's the end of module 2, that is notice writing. So here we have completed another chapter of our grammar writing notices. Thank you.